Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to create Facebook page officially with the new process and new update. And I will also show you how to earn money from your Facebook page also. Actually, few months ago we can see that we cannot create Facebook page from our account, right? When you try to create Facebook page, that time Facebook deny it and it says that you have created too many pages, and for that reason maybe you couldn't create your Facebook page. So if you follow my video, that time I will guarantee you that you can easily create your Facebook page officially without any kinds of problem, and you can also earn money from that page. So if you really want to learn the process, then please watch full video carefully. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So first of all, you will need to go to Play Store and then make sure your Facebook application is already up to date. So after updating your Facebook application, just click here open option. And after that, actually this is my page, and guys please follow this page, okay? So whatever, just to get back from here, and right now you want to go to your account option in here, and then you need to find out your pages option. So in my account you can see pages option in here in the above, but if you don't find it from here, just click here see more option, and after that you will see your pages option. So let me click on the pages option, and after that just you need to click here create option, and then click here get started. Then you need to choose your Facebook page name, okay? So let me choose my channel page name, Rare iTech 02. Suppose I choose this name for my Facebook page, and after that just click here next option. Sorry, this name is invalid, so let me choose the correct name, Rare iTech Technology suppose, and after that just click here next option, and again it's invalid. Let's choose again Rare iTech 1, and then click here next option. Okay, actually it says that I cannot use this small letter and capital letter combination. I need to choose all small letter. So after that just click here next option, and then you need to choose your category in here, okay? So if you choose to make video for comedy, then you can choose comedian, just search here comedy. And if you are from content creator, then just click here, right here digital creator, okay? And you can choose any one of the category from here, okay? So after that just click here create option and wait for a few seconds. And you can see in here there are two options: promote your products or service. So best for companies, charities and other organizations, but if you want to earn money, then you need to choose the second one, create content and connect with fans, best for creators and personal brands. So let me choose the second one, and after that click here continue option, and then customize your page. So you need to choose your profile picture from here, okay? So let me click mine, just camera, and after that you need to choose your cover picture from here, cover photo. So let me click on that option. So after choosing this photo, just click here next option and wait for a few seconds, and build your page audience, okay? So you can invite your friends from here, just click here invite friends, but right now I don't need to do that. Just click here next option and add your favorite to Rare iTech 1, So just click here next option, then stay informed about your page. So choose the first one, page notification on your profile. I mean, when someone like or do comment, that time you will get that notification into your main profile. Okay, so after choosing it, just click here done option, and it will just switching to my that page. Let me go to my page in here. This is Rare iTech. I just created this page right now. So after that, just click here, get back and wait for a few seconds. So after doing this, just your page look like it, and you need to do something else, I mean some settings. So just click here three dot line, and then you need to click here edit option, and then just scroll down, then details, just click here edit option, and you can choose your address and phone number, email address, service area, whatever you want. And you can also add your hours, opening hours, closing hours, price range, everything. Okay, just do it by your own, street, town, city, postcode. Right now I don't need to do that. So after doing all this thing, just get back from here, and then you need to click here add action button. Then you can choose this one. I mean, if you want to get message, that time you can choose this option, message option. Otherwise you can just remove it and then click here edit buttons. And if you have a YouTube channel, that time just click here watch now, and then website, just paste here your YouTube link, channel link. Let me copy mine, just paste here your link, and after that just click here save option, and then just get back from here, just scroll down. And if I try to see my page from other profile, suppose like views, and that time you can see this is the profile, I mean public look like. Okay, so if someone try to click here watch now, that time they will go to your YouTube channel. Okay, so after doing this thing, just upload some videos in your profile, and when you completed 5k followers and 60k, I mean 60,000 minutes last 2 months, that time you can monetize your Facebook page, and by this process you can earn money from your Facebook page. So whatever guys, by this easiest process you can create Facebook page officially, and you can earn money by fulfill their criteria. So thank you so much for watching this video.